Soichiro Honda, the founder of Honda Motors, was rejected by Toyota, lost his factory in World War II, and had an earthquake destroy everything he built.
If you are saying, Mosh, I am here to learn how to make money. I want to quit my job. I want financial freedom through passive income. Welcome, my friend, because I'm going to give you just that. So keep watching.
He was broke, humiliated, and at rock bottom.
Haven't we all been to this point?
But instead of giving up, he turned failure into the fuel for his greatest success.
Unfortunately, very few are able to do it.
Honda was obsessed with engines. As a young man, he spent years designing a new piston, believing it would change the industry. He took his invention to Toyota, expecting them to buy it, but they rejected him, saying it wasn't good enough. Most people would have quit, but Honda went back, redesigned it, and tried again. Toyota rejected him a second time. He was crushed. He had put everything into this project, and now he had nothing to show for it.
By the way, is there anyone stopping you from smashing the like button? If not, gently smash the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Because the only reason we make these videos is to help wonderful people just like you. And when you like this video, share with your friends and family and watch the full video and even comment with questions or your thoughts. YouTube will pick this video up as an important video and show it to more and more people. More people will get the benefit of this content. And inshallah, you will get a part of the blessing. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we need your help. Please consider subscribing to our channel because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days. And it's only possible if you start it. And when you share this video with your friends and family, ask them to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button as well. We will be extremely thankful to you. And when you switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next one. Who knows, maybe the next video is the ultimate missing piece that can take you from where you are to your goal. I'll give you a second for like, share, subscribe, and let's go back to the video.
Still, he refused to quit. He borrowed money, built a factory, and started producing his own parts. Just when things were finally looking up, World War II hit. His factory was bombed twice. All his hard work gone. But he rebuilt. Then before he could recover, a massive earthquake struck and leveled everything he had left. Honda was left with nothing. No factory, no money, no hope. But instead of feeling sorry for himself, he found a new way forward. With Japan struggling after the war, people needed cheap transportation. He took a simple bicycle and attached a tiny motor to it. That small idea, it changed everything. People loved it. He started making more. Soon his little motorized bikes were selling all over Japan. That business became Honda Motors, which grew into the biggest motorcycle company in the world and later one of the most successful car manufacturers in history. Soichiro Honda was rejected, bankrupt, and lost everything, but he never stopped. If he had quit, there would be no Honda today. When life knocks you down, will you stay down or will you rise up and build something even greater?
What did we learn from this? Step number one, he had an obsession about engines. And he had expectations that his work will be accepted by Toyota. But they didn't accept, so he failed. That was sad. Now, I want to ask you a question. Who in the world would borrow money after this kind of failure? Basically, after failing twice. Apparently, Honda did. Because of what? What was that something that made him continue? Alright, before we get into that, unfortunately, during World War, the factory was bombed and destroyed. But he rebuilt it. Tell me, my friend, what was the driving force behind rebuilding his factory after getting bombed and destroyed? We will come back to that, but again, an earthquake destroyed everything. But remember, I told you he kept going and found a new way. He installed motor into bike, turned it into motorbike, and solved a big problem. The rest is history. We know the car, we know all the history. And before we know about the driving force and eventually learn how we can make money from this, how we can build our business and basically get financial freedom, let's check the net worth of Honda. We are at Perplexity AI, the best of the best place for doing your research. And basically, it's going to kill Google very soon. Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program. And our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions. Okay, Honda's net worth is 42.36 billion, and that billion with a B. B for bat, like Batman. But that's not all. Additionally, Honda's total assets are reported to be 183 billion US dollars. Let's go back to that one thing that made him keep going. Do you think obsession is enough? I don't think so. I think without belief, it's impossible to stay consistent at anything. And belief creates something called certainty. Without certainty, nobody works, nobody does anything, nobody puts in any effort, nobody spends money, nobody invests into anything. And somehow he had that certainty, and he believed, he was 100% certain that what he was pursuing will take him to his life purpose. Now let me share certainty with you. This is one of my Warrior Plus accounts, and yesterday we launched a product. Although I tell you about big money, earning over $10 million through digital marketing, and every time I tell you stories about paying over $3 million in affiliate commissions to our affiliates, this is a brand new offer, a brand new product, a brand new software. So in one day we made $3,171, and our affiliates earned $1,883 in affiliate commission. Now, I'm not asking you to be certain about anything that you don't have any idea of. Like if you haven't done affiliate marketing in your life, then you cannot be certain. But these affiliates are certain. And that's why they did only one thing that made them money. They know if they keep sending traffic or visitors to the affiliate offer that they are promoting, eventually a percentage of people will purchase. And from those purchases, they will get a certain number. It is called revenue per every visitor or revenue per click. So this affiliate right here earned $6.20 from every visitor he sent to the offer on the average. This affiliate made $2, another affiliate made $2.61, another affiliate made $1.49, and I can go on and on. But from these little numbers, these affiliates know that if they keep sending this traffic, they will eventually make commissions. And they did. So how can you become certain? Because without certainty, it's very hard, especially motivate yourself to take action consistently. And without consistency, it's very hard to get results. For that, I want to show you something interesting. So we know that Honda's net value is $42 billion, and they have an asset of $183 billion. So they are really, really big company. Like really big. Did you know that Honda or their associates have affiliate programs? I asked ChatGPT Honda affiliate program, and ChatGPT gave me some resources about their affiliate program. Not directly by Honda or Honda cars, but some wings of Honda have affiliate programs. For example, Honda Bikes Greece affiliate program. This program is free to join, and they even give you promotional materials to help you promote. Honda has lead generation campaigns via affiliate network. In certain markets, Honda has cost per lead campaigns through affiliate platforms like AdMeetAd. ChatGPT also provided me some resources and affiliate programs based on motorcycle related products. Did you see that? Revzilla offers 7% commission. Cycle Gear offers 7% commission. Viking Bags offers 10% commission, and Pyramid Parts offers a 20% commission. And you know what? That's where I see the whole thing a little bit problematic. Because in our 99% done for you program, we offer 50% commission of our high ticket offers, like $1,000 offer, and affiliates earn $500 commission for one sale. If the product price is $600, then the affiliates earn $300 commission. Now yesterday, this particular affiliate made only 11 sales, but he earned $621 commission because we offered him 50% commission. However, from his promotion, there was a $600 sale. So one of these commissions was $300, and that's why just from 11 sales, he made $621 commission. and the value of each of his visitors became $6.20, which means theoretically, if he sends 1,000 visitors and earns $6.20 per visitor, that would be $6,200 in passive affiliate commission. You see where I'm going? I'm trying to give you some certainty. Certainty number one, that a company like Honda has affiliate programs. Even other motorcycle products, which are definitely top level products and companies, offer affiliate programs. So the affiliate marketing thing in general is legit. Plus, when you look at these real affiliates making real money, in fact, making hundreds of thousands of dollars, that if you send traffic to your affiliate offer, some of those traffic, a percentage of those traffic will purchase, and from those purchases you will earn affiliate commission. Now, to become certain about how much money you're going to make, you should know about this RPH, or visitor value. This visitor value will give you certainty of exactly how much money you can make from sending traffic. Mosh, I am sold. Let's do this. I want to make money. How can I make money from affiliate marketing? Look at this guy and start with this guy. His name is Ivan Carmichael, and I've been following him on Facebook for many years. What do you see he's doing right here? He's telling you a motivational story. And this motivational story is so captivating that not only I watched it and saved it, but also I am making my videos around this video. That's why this particular video got 183,000 views. And he makes a lot of videos like this and gets tons of views. What are these views? These views, my friend, eventually turn into hops. And some of them purchase and we make money. In fact, I have just completed onboarding call with this brother who joined our 99% Done For You program, and he is super excited to start making money. Do you know where he found me and my program? TikTok. You see that? Those little TikTok videos are powerful.
Right. So, brother, how did you find me?
So I came across, like I was browsing and I came across your videos in TikTok.
TikTok. I see.
So you see, those little TikTok videos are powerful. You want to learn more about our 99% Done For You program, through which these busy dads, busy moms, busy employees are earning $500 commissions? Go to the description below, look for 99% Done For You program, click the link and come to this training. These training videos will give you step by step from start to finish what we do and how we help beginners earn $500 commission with a 99% Done For You system. If you have any question, ask this AI chat agent. It will answer you just like me. But if you want to speak to me one-on-one, DM me on Instagram or ping me on Facebook Messenger. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Now, in our program, we teach our beginner members how to get customers using AI. One of the example is this. We used this free AI platform Perplexity AI to learn about Honda's affiliate programs. We asked ChatGPT and we got our answers with references. If I want to turn myself or my photo into a Ghibli photo, I would just come to ChatGPT and do it in one click. Long story short, all day long, we use AI to learn new knowledge and new skills fast. Then we use our experience of using AI and the knowledge we learn and turn them into short form videos with 30 to 60 seconds long. Then we take that video, upload it to our TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. These platforms send us visitors or viewers to our videos. Sometimes our videos go viral and we get millions of views, leads, and sales. Sales? Mosh, I have no idea about sales and I'm not interested in selling because I'm not a salesman. Don't worry, you don't have to. Our content, our videos are structured in a way that they smoothly drive our viewers to an AI-powered automated sales funnel. This sales funnel does the selling on our behalf, and when there is a sale, we earn $500 plus in passive affiliate commission. That's how we make money while having fun with AI. And if you think I could make this video a little interesting, a little funny, and a little informative, and a little helpful, then you clearly understand how we use content, in fact, other people's content, and AI to get attention of paying customers and eventually make money. Now, does this give you a little bit of certainty? If yes, hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to tell your friends and family and social media contacts to follow us as well, because we need your help. We have a goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers in next 30 days, and it's only possible if we get support just from you. We need you to subscribe, engage, and share our videos. And if you want to learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and I will see you on the next one.